Wood ash. Most folks treat it like dust, don't they? Sprinkled once, forgotten, left to wash away with the next rain. But I want you to picture this. Ancient farmers, wise in the ways of soil, never wasted a speck. They didn't just dump ash on the earth, they transformed it. See, they fermented their wood ash. One simple living step turned that grey, lifeless powder into a living liquid, a mineral tea for the soil, feeding crops for months, not days. What looks like waste, it becomes something closer to a miracle. Let's talk about why plain raw wood ash underperforms. Sure, it's full of potassium, calcium, magnesium and trace minerals, but raw ash is harsh, alkaline. Its nutrients lock up quick, and soil microbes want nothing to do with it. Rain just washes it away, and most of its value vanishes before any root gets a taste. But when you ferment it, that's where the alchemy happens. Soak the ash with a bit of organic matter and a handful of microbes, and everything changes. Minerals dissolve. Now roots can drink them up. The pH softens. Potassium and calcium become mobile, buffered, gentle, and the liquid teems with life. You're not feeding dust anymore. You're feeding living mineral water. Here's how the old growers did it. The liquid ash ferment. Fill a bucket 1/3 with clean wood ash. No coal, no treated wood. Clean, natural ash only. Add water to fill the bucket. Then toss in a handful of compost, leaf mould or forest soil. That's your microbe starter. Stir it once a day and let it sit 5 to 7 days in the shade. The liquid will darken, soften and come alive. When it's ready, dilute it 10 to 1 with water. Pour it onto the soil, not the leaves. Use it before your plants flower and fruit. This feeds strong roots, healthy flowers and robust fruits, and it helps your crops fight off disease. If you're growing tomatoes, peppers, onions or fruit trees, you'll see the difference. Why do plants respond so quickly? Because those minerals are now soluble and buffered by microbes. The roots absorb potassium and calcium with ease. No stress, just strength. Your plants grow sturdy, flower better, fruit heavier, and their harvests last longer. This isn't a quick fix. It's a structural builder. A few cautions, though. Don't use ash from charcoal briquettes. Always dilute before applying. Never pour onto dry soil or soil that's already alkaline. This is powerful stuff. Gentle use matters. Ancient growers didn't waste what they had. They activated it. Ash isn't rubbish. It's stored sunlight, just waiting to be dissolved. Soil made simple. Dirt decoded.